Welcome to How to Solve. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Warrior Plus for affiliate marketing and more. So make sure not to skip the video so you won't miss any tips. And now, let's hop into the video. First of all, on your browser, search for warriorplus.com. So if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus is an online platform that serves as a marketplace for digital products related to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and online business. It is a popular platform for vendors to sell their digital products such as software, courses, ebooks, and other digital products. Warrior Plus also offers an affiliate program that allows marketers to earn a commission by promoting other people's product. So as an affiliate, you can search for products to promote and receive a unique affiliate link to share with your audience. And when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So to get started, simply click on sign up free. And once you are on the screen, you will just have to create your username, password, and provide your email account. Just in case you forgot your password, you can easily recover and change your information. And then once you are done with all that, click on create account. Creating an account in Warrior Plus is completely free, so you don't have to worry about that. And once you have created your account, you will first need to verify your email address. The Warrior Plus team will send you an email with a link to activate your account. You will just have to click on the link and then it will redirect you to a login screen. Then here, you'll be asked why you created your account. Just select here, I want to earn money as an affiliate. Then, you'll be directed to a new tab with all of the information on how to get started becoming an affiliate. Then once you're on your dashboard, next to the logo, you will see the marketplace. And in the marketplace, we have home, top products, categories, alerts, and deal of the day. Then next is the vendor. First is dashboard, so you will get your own vendor dashboard. Then offers, products, shared products, customers, transactions, stats, link stats, sales report, affiliate contest, coupons, commission rules, and GV Center. Then lastly is affiliate. So you will have your own dashboard affiliate. Then you have your offers, stats, transactions, sales report, contest, and launch calendar. So on your screen, this is your marketplace and you can browse through the various products listed on the platform. And if you find a product that you like, you can purchase it directly from the vendor. But since we sign up as an affiliate, we're gonna go to the affiliate dashboard. So here on your sales dashboard, you'll be able to see here your earnings today, yesterday, for the last 7 days, and last 30 days. So your earnings will be displayed here since you can earn up to thousands of dollars as an affiliate. And of course, to withdraw your earnings, you can add your e-wallet here like your PayPal account or Stripe if you have one. You can also keep track of your cash in and cash out activity. And then going back under affiliate, click on offers to get started on affiliate marketing. So these are actually the offers that you can check out and you can also see the information. So we can see here the rates of the product, the visitor value, average rate, and refund rate. Now once you click on any offers on this page, you will see more of their information. So let's try it. We have here the Apex, and we can click here request. And here is the information about this product. And on your right side of your screen, you can see the details of the vendor, the price range, commission range, and the offer stats. And here below you also have an option to contact the vendor or to view their page. Now, this is not the only way you can see the products that you can offer. You can also go to the marketplace, then top products. So this is really important since you will see here the top products which have higher commission rates. And then we also have categories that you can choose from. And once you're happy with this product, you can click request approval, and then you can actually affiliate with the same vendor, especially when they have multiple products to offer. So here we can view his products, and as you can see, he still has over 22 offered products. And when you look at commission rates, it has different ratings. And since we already requested approval on this product, you will get your own affiliate link and you can promote it on your social media platforms, which are free. Then you'll be earning based on the purchases of your offered products. So here we have the categories, and I'll show you different categories that you can choose from. First is internet marketing. So this is the most popular category on Warrior Plus. It includes products related to affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, SEO, and other aspects of digital marketing. Next is make money online. This category features products that promise to help users make money online. It includes products like online courses, software, and training programs. Then, services like self-improvement. This category features products that aim to improve one's personal development and growth. It includes products like personal coaching, self-help books, and courses. And we also have software and tools, and this category features software products and tools that help users in various aspects of online marketing, such as keyword research, website optimization, and content creation. Then the e-commerce. So this category includes products related to starting and managing an e-commerce business. It includes products like drop shipping courses, e-commerce software, and product sourcing guides. So these are just few examples of many categories available on Warrior Plus. Each category has a variety of products from different vendors. So there is a lot of variety and choice for buyers. So when you also have your own products, you can go here in the vendor's dashboard, and here you will also see your sales and earnings. And then you can also have your own affiliates, and you will see the request here and also your current affiliates. So for example, that I am a vendor of this product, when they request this product, as a vendor, I will see it here on pending request. As an affiliate, please note that some vendors may have specific criteria or requirements for their affiliates, so approval is not guaranteed. But if you are approved by the vendor, the commission percentage varies depending on the product and the vendor, but it's typically between 30% to 50% of the product's price. And you can promote your product through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to promote products. You can also create content, share product reviews, and use paid advertising to reach a larger audience. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.